and my sister Beth is joining us.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay, you ready, Anna? Alright, click the first.
Oh, it feels so nice to have some liquid in my mouth.
You ready? You're just chucking it over each other, whatever.
Alright, next one. Alright.
Was that me? Right, here comes your first object. Oh my god. Okay, feel away. Lower, lower. There it is. Feel it. Now feel your head.
You didn't get that. Didn't you get that one?
Did you get it?
It's cold out here.
I think so. It's hard to do that and keep moving. It's hard.
Did you get that one, Beth? Keep feeling lower, lower. My chair's warm.
Right, we're going again.
Someone's just closed their window.
That is what you're doing.
Probably because Beth's got a big mouth.
Don't you dare!
No, don't, because she's less wet that I did it. I don't want you to... I'm doing it for you.
My clothes are sticking to me.
How do you think I feel?
That's a black. Yeah, let's swap.
I'm sitting in the middle. Not everyone interest there. Don't do.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ready? Go.
You just found something in a newsagent that was highly inappropriate.
Literally, it was straight up, like, I saw everything typical gay porn. Like, just right next to, like, all the One Direction magazines. And I was, like, very confused. So I got it for Elfie. You keep licking me.
Don't you find it refreshing?
You just spat that anyway.
I thought I had that one then. My bracelet's literally soaked.
Mine aren't quite. Don't start aiming for my bracelet.
You ready?
I've licked Zoe's eyeball.
Oh, I didn't know where you were going with that.
Tyler, that's an awfully big stick you've got.
I'm taking that off. That is soaked. I need to dry out a bit. I like
You're
how
not getting any of these, are you?
Hey, it is too young. I just have a friend like you.
Please.
Ready? Oopsie. I think it's finished anyway. It's just music. It's done. This is turning into a water fight. Careful. tricks him out.